Everyone, I'm Lavie Tidhar. I'm the author of the forthcoming book, The Candy Mafia, which is coming out from Peachtree very soon. And I was hoping to talk to you a little bit about it. As you can see, I've been 2 months in quarantine now. The hair is going a bit, but I'll do my best. I also wanted to show you some of the other copies of Candy, the Candy Mafia that have come out over the years. It's been called The City Without Chocolate, Secret Agent Candy. It had all kinds of different titles around the world. And Candy is really my first children's book. My books are usually more for grown-ups and not as exciting. But The Candy Mafia is really one of my favorite books that I've written. And it's really, really exciting to get it out in America this year. Now, it's a book about a girl called Nelle Faulkner, who's a 12-year-old girl, and she's a private detective. Now, when I write about private detectives, I like to actually wear a private detective hat, which I don't think I can quite carry, but I find it helps occasionally to imagine it. And Nelle lives in a city where chocolate and all kinds of candy have been prohibited, have been outlawed by grown-ups. And so the kids in the city are smuggling sweets into the city, and they're running little gangs of chocolate gangs. And Nelle gets drawn into a case of looking for a missing teddy bear, and that leads her into the underground world of illegal chocolate smuggling, and eventually to the mystery of a certain chocolate factory high on the hill and its missing owner. So, it's very tongue-in-cheek, it's very playful. It was a lot of fun to write. It's clearly kind of taking Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which is such a fantastic book, and taking all the hard-boiled books that I really like, The Big Sleep and all of that stuff, and sort of mashing them together in a sort of Bugsy Malone-ish book. So it was a lot of fun to write. There it is again, actually. I'm super excited to have it come out soon, and I hope you give it a try. And hopefully I will see you in the States as soon as flights are open again and I can leave my house one day in the future. Goodbye.